Say happy birthday.
It's got fireworks? No.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's Nanny. We're my tummy. Oh. They're gonna be so cool.
Ooh.
What's that? Ow.
Ooh.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow.
Is that Belle?
Yeah.
Pretty.
I
Pretty? Like it?
Yeah.
It says, for a birthday girl. Give it back to her.
I don't get
It says, for you, birthday girl. Open it up. Can you open it? What's that? Money? Money? No, give it back to your sister.
I have like something of money. Cool.
Yes, it's so you can go to school.
I didn't see. Oh, Daddy. I didn't see.
You gonna put it in your piggy bank?
Yeah.
You are? Oh, right now? Do you want me to finish reading you your card first?
Yeah.
It says, today's your day for visiting a kingdom that's enchanted. You'll be the birthday princess and your wishes will be granted. Hope you have a magical birthday.
Yeah.
You don't have any pockets.
I have pockets.
Let's go put it in your piggy bank.
No.
Come on, let's go put it in your piggy bank.
No,
Say thank you.
No, when the toys are mine, or Daddy's, or yours, then they put it right there.
Bella, say thank you.